Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to go through dollar yen as price remains stuck at the key resistance level. We've been watching dollar yen for a while. We actually spoke about it quite a few times as it made its way up into this 109 level. Price actually formed bearish divergence here and we saw an initial drop. The past couple of days the yen has sold off. That's due to the more risk-on sentiment in the market, and price has now retested again up at this 109 resistance level. Now, the resistance level kind of runs from 109 up into around 109.35, and price is just struggling here at the moment. What we did point out previously in previous posts is the fact that there is this head and shoulders pattern forming. Now price is at this sort of area. We are expecting the yen to continue to get weak. Now, looking at seasonal patterns and strength and weakness tables, the yen is relatively weak currently. We can see that in price just here. But typically throughout November, price does drop, suggesting to us that if the yen's going to weaken through this period, we should expect for price to break above these highs and head towards that 112 area. Now, just going up to that weekly time frame, as we always do in our market outlook, we actually looked at this potentially for a reversal, and what we look for is if the market breaks through a weekly low, then we'll look for the continuation to the downside. Now, what we actually outlined was that if the market did break that low, then I expected the market to come and retest back at that 107 area to form a sort of larger inverse head and shoulders pattern at that point from the weekly time frame, and then look for the long opportunity. However, if price breaks through that 109.35 highs and closes above, then I think we're going to be on the cards for that 112 towards the end of the year. Okay, so keep an eye on dollar yen. We're at this resistance right now, so we need to just keep an eye on it. Always ask yourself the question when you approach a support or resistance level, is it going to break? Is it going to bounce? What's the likelihood of a break? What's the likelihood of a bounce? You know, that's every question that you need to be asking yourself. I think that the market's going to break higher, for instance, because of my strength and weakness analysis and the seasonal analysis. So for me, the price is more likely to break out, but it doesn't mean that I want to be buying dollar yen or selling the yen just yet. I want to be looking for the price to break higher, then look for the pullback, then the continuation trade. So I want the confirmation before getting involved with the market. At resistance, obviously, if you're a support and resistance trader, you're probably going to be looking for some selling opportunities in here. Okay, so if you're on a lower time frame, perhaps you're probably looking for short opportunities in and around this resistance level. But just be aware that the yen is weak and that it could easily break through these highs heading towards that 112 level. Okay, so keep an eye on dollar yen. Obviously it's a break or bounce situation. Wait for the confirmation of a break or a bounce lower, and then look for your trading opportunities. This has been John Kibler, head currency analyst at Blueberry Markets. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if you want to see any charts covered, then drop a message below. Thanks for watching. I'll speak to you soon.